Welcome to Still Springs Ridge. This custom home community is by Mandy Development. These home sites sit up on a beautiful ridge in the heart of Bellevue. This unique opportunity has the best of both worlds. How about living less than 15 minutes to downtown Nashville, right around the corner from all that Bellevue has to offer with shopping, restaurants, parks, and greenways. The city is all around you, yet you feel like you are living in the middle of nature. 47 opportunities to build your dream home. Pick your site, customize your floor plan, select your finishes, and we will build your modern transitional home. Are you ready to experience modern living in harmony with nature? Call your Nashville Realtor today.